The first step to saving $10,000 is simple: track every dollar. For the next 30 days, write down everything you spend. Yes, everything. You'll be shocked to see how much money is being wasted. Once you see the problem clearly, fixing it becomes easy. Now let's talk about the system that actually works. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs like rent and bills, 30% to wants like entertainment, and 20% straight to savings. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month. Here is how that breaks down. That's $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings every single month. That's $7,200 per year saved automatically, just by following the system. Now imagine adding just a little extra income. You'll hit $10,000 much faster.
Did you know that over 60% of Americans can't even save $1,000? That means most people are just one emergency away from financial stress. But what if I told you? Saving $10,000 in the USA is actually possible, even with an average income. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step system to save $10,000 fast. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll share a powerful bonus strategy that can speed up your savings dramatically. Let's be real. Most people don't fail to save money because they don't earn enough. They fail because they don't control where their money goes. Think about it. Daily coffee runs, food delivery, subscriptions you don't even use, and impulse shopping. These small expenses slowly drain your money. And the biggest problem? Most Americans don't track their spending at all. So money disappears without them even realizing it.
If you want fast results, you need to cut aggressively. 1. Eating out. Cooking at home can save up to $500 a month. 2. Subscriptions. Cancel anything you don't use. Cut the extras. 3. Impulse buying. Wait 24 hours before buying anything. Small cuts mean big savings, but saving alone is slow. The fastest way to reach $10,000 is to earn more. Here are some side hustles. Try food delivery with DoorDash or Uber Eats. Freelance on Fiverr or sell digital products online. Even online tutoring can make a huge difference. Just $20 a day is over $7,000 a year extra. Combine this with saving and you're unstoppable. Start your journey to $10,000 today. You've got this.
And forget solution. Automated. Set up automatic transfers to savings every payday. Use apps like Chime, Ally Bank, and Vero. When you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Let's break it down. Income, $4,000 per month. Savings, 20% equals $800. Side hustle, Opry, $300. Total saved per month, sits in $100. In just 9 months, that's $9,900. That's almost $10,000. Want to speed things up even more? Use cashback and rewards. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Cashback credit cards. You can earn $100 to $200 extra per month. It may seem small, but combined with everything else, it adds up fast.
Saving $10,000 in the US might seem daunting, but it's achievable with the right strategy. Let's recap the steps. First, track your money. Knowing exactly where every dollar goes is the foundation of building wealth. Next, use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Cut unnecessary expenses. Those small subscriptions add up quickly over time. Boost your income with a side hustle. Extra revenue speeds up your journey. Automate your savings to pay yourself first without even thinking about it. Use cashback rewards on your regular spending to earn a little extra back. Follow these steps, and your $10,000 goal is within reach. Subscribe to DollarWise and comment, "I'm starting my 10K journey," below.